Hello, my name is José Miguel Viñals, and I am the owner of the consulting firm Romania. In the previous videos, we talked about how to create a company and also about labor relationships. In this one, we will speak about accounting and fiscality. A company in Romania is a Romanian fiscal subject under local legislation. Accounting rules in Romania are very similar to those in Western Europe, mainly for those countries inspired in the French accounting system. It is important to stress that your company will need the presence of an accounting expert, who will sign the accounts of the company together with the administrator. I say this because in some countries, the presence of the accounting expert is not so important and accounting is much simpler. So very often, the companies from these countries try to underestimate the importance of good accounting professional advice. A good consultant will insist very much on this point. For industrial companies, managing accounts include the control of all entries, materials consumed during production, final stock values, and waste materials. One of the most attractive reasons for companies to invest in Romania is the low fiscal pressure. At the time I record this video, July 2017, it is one of the lowest in Europe. Tax rate is flat 16%, both for people and for companies over a certain sales value. Many small companies will just pay a small percentage of their sales as tax, 1, 2, or 3%, depending on the number of employees that they will hire. Tax on dividend is 5%. VAT is 19%. But attention, to be a VAT subject is a complicated procedure. We already talked about this in the previous chapter. Taxation on salaries is very similar to what is in force in Western countries. The National Tax Office is called ANAF, but there are some other entities in the country who also can tax your company. Local administrations are the most important after ANAF, taxing you on buildings or on vehicles. In the recent years, the tax system has been simplified, and the government has been investing in online platforms. Nowadays, most of the operations can be made online, with some few exceptions. My advice is that all companies should pay very high attention to accounting and fiscality, because mistakes can be very expensive. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting. I wish I will see you again in the next episodes.